Where is your hair? Hair. Where is your head? Where is your ears? Where is your eyes? Nose? Mouth? Mouth? Yung mouth. Tongue? Teeth. Labas yung teeth. Ayan to. Where's your teeth? Huh? Where's your... nasan yung leeg ni Aiden? Oh, kilikili. yung ano ni Aiden, hand ni Aiden. Wow. Paano mag-wash your hands? Oh. Nasaan yung knees ni Aiden? Knees. Wow. Yung toes. Wow. Yan. Paano yung hungry? Wow. I love you. More. Eat. Wow. Clap your hands. Wow, very good ng bebe. I love you. Yay. Sabi ng dog. Sabi ng cat. Sabi ng cow. Ano sabi ng goat? Sabi ng duck?